Hello and welcome. You are starting the course of Ghidra. Ghidra is a reverse engineered software written in Java and developed by National Security Agency from USA. This software is intended to reverse binary files, which are programs. So for example, exe files at your PC or notebook, but also the software which is in a car, the binaries from the car. And for this type of usage, we plan to use it. So our Ghidra is a Java program, as I already mentioned. So we need to download and unpack it to the desktop or any other convenient place, convenient for you, of course. Then, what is important? It is important to understand that it needs Java to work. There is a concurrent solution, much older solution, already 25 or 30 years on the market. It is IDA. You may ask, what is the difference between the IDA and Ghidra, and why do we choose Ghidra over IDA Pro? IDA Pro is a closed system. This system is developed by the producer of that software, and it's quite expensive. Also, it has no such a flexibility with adding additional scripts, additional procedures, options, and so on, and free configuration of the panel. So Ghidra is maybe younger and for sure slower, because it's in Java, slower solution, but it is free, very flexible, and absolutely universal. The only disadvantage of Ghidra is that some processors used in cars, among the cars, are not covered. So especially this is the problem become important when you would like to disassemble old EDC15 or MS7. For that, rather you should use even a free version of IDA. There is a free version of IDA with very limited capabilities. So Ghidra has huge advantages over IDA, at least nowadays. So we are starting from Ghidra 12, which is the newest version now at the moment of recording of this film. But for the future versions, all our lessons will be also valid, because the Ghidra has quite conservative method of developing of new software, new versions, because they are upgraded, they are improved, they are even faster, but the user interface remains the same. So welcome, and let's start this to disassemble. First, of course, we will need to install it.